STEM Life Education. I'm so excited today because I have a new box and I can't wait for us to see what's inside. But on the outside, let's see. This is a microbit, which is a mini computer we can connect to our desktop computer, and then a phone. It's easy to access, and then we have a model of what we are going to build. Then we have a make code in Python. The make code is the blocks we have here, which is easy for young learners, and the Python, which we have the interface. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. So first, we have our workbook, which has a lot of activities in there we can follow to build. This is our workbook. Then we have a track for the line follower. For the line follower, yes. Okay, and then we have the CD for installation, the ultrasonic sensor, and the line follower. We have the cables to connect the sensors. We have microbit and the board. Models, we have two models. Then we have screws, screwdriver. We have USB, battery, and a battery case. Okay. Ties. Two ties. Then we have the body of it, and we have a cover too. Join me next time and let's assemble. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Bye bye.